Today we will learn subtracting fractions using butterfly method. For example, 5 by 4 minus 2 by 3. This we will solve using butterfly method. Let's check how to solve this. 5 and 3. We will multiply 5 and 3. 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. So how we get 15? We just multiplied the first fraction's numerator with the second fraction's denominator. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Now multiply 4 and 2. First fraction's denominator with the second fraction's numerator. 4 times 2. 4 times 2. So first fraction denominator with the second fraction's numerator. We just multiplied 4 times 2. So 4 times 2 we know 8. So since we are doing subtraction, we will put subtraction sign in between and we will write 8. Now let's check what will be our denominator. So the denominator will be 4 times 3. We just multiply. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. How do we get 12 as the denominator? We just multiplied both the fractions denominator. 4 and 3. We get 12. Now we will subtract 15 minus 8 is equal to 7 by 12. This is our answer. 7 by 12 is our answer. So when we subtract 5 by 4 minus 2 by 3, we get the answer as 7 by 12. So we solve subtracting fractions using butterfly method. And why this method is called butterfly method? See, our picture looks like butterfly. So this method is called butterfly method. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe Math Only Math for more videos. Thank you.